Alright everybody, so today we're going to install these squared innovation ditch mounts. We're going to show you what they're going to look like on the crippled K5 over here because the Super Dually has a little bit different situation because the cab is newer than the front clip. So it won't be exactly as in their instructions on the Super Dually when we put them on, but we're going to walk you through on the crippled K5 here and show you what it's going to look like. One of the things I liked as far as attention to detail on these mounts, you can put them in without drilling any holes or making any serious modifications to your cab. Right here, another little thing is they have all these nice pre-made zip tie holes to tie your wires in to keep everything nice and clean. It's got this nice crinkle powder coat set up on it, and literally if I was going to put them on this truck, maybe 15 minutes these things would be on there, but let's walk through it. You'll see right in here on a 73 to 80, 81, I can't remember exactly, you'll have this hood support pin or stop, however they want to call it. All right, first thing you're going to do, and they're super detailed instructions, is they want you to measure this height and write it down. The reason being is you're going to pull this out, you're going to take your shim kit, and these studs they provide, are really just grade 5 bolts. You're going to measure, once you measure this height, you're going to come over here and measure the height and the setup of this shim on this first fender bolt right here, okay? So that is what you're going to need to set your washers on your post and use your jam nut to get all this stuff level to where when you bolt this down, everything's going to be sitting nice and level. So you'll see when I set it up right here, there it is. When you set it up right here, you would have shimmed underneath here, run your bolt through there and use your jam nut and everything to tighten it up. It lines up on the money with this bolt hole here and this bolt hole here. And when I put it on the Super Dually a little while ago just to test fit and play with it, this thing was obviously a lot lower, and then it was just maybe 2 index cards off the paint. Perfect, nice and tight, didn't obstruct any vision or anything. Super excited to get these on the Super Dually here in a few minutes and see what they're going to look like. We tried some 5s. They were pretty big, kind of like the old school OG Spotlight deal, so I wasn't sure if I like those or not. I got some 4s to try, but feel free to hit us up in the comments and tell us what you would run. We're going to go from here. I did get some ones that have the amber filters as well. I like the amber steerable ones that have on the Super Dually and on here. So we're going to go with ambers or whites. We can change it up. Of course, you can angle them, that sort of thing. But Squared Innovations, check them out. This is a pre-production run. I reached out to them to see if they even offered any of these because they weren't on the website. They said they were in development. They sent me one of the first sets. So we're going to try them out, let y'all know how we like them, and make sure to follow, like, and subscribe. We're going to go put them on the Super Dually now. All right, so we're over here in the shop now. We have our Squared Innovations brackets. All we're going to do to make them work on this truck is take this one fender bolt out, and then we should be able to set it in here, and we'll try to figure out this other bolt hole as well. It's just lays down in here, nice and neat. See how well this is built, and it's even got the notch to tuck over here and clear the fender. Like I showed you on the Blazer, the hood seal right here on the 73, you may have to trim it just a little bit right in here. You would only have to do this toggle setup if you did what we did and front swap and do a front clip swap to a 73 to 80 front clip, because this cab is at 89. The way they did the cowling and everything is a little bit different. Nice and snug. Everything's good, everything clears nice and neat. We did use one little shim like we talked about earlier on the Blazer. You will have to shim more than likely, but good and sturdy, and they should clear the hood because I tried them out earlier. So like we were just talking about a minute ago, this is a toggler. We use them to mount troll motors and stuff where you can't get around the through bolt, but basically you drill a 3/8 hole for a 1/4 21, drop it in there, flip it back flat, slide the sides down here, and then it gives you the same effect as through bolting if you're going to have a high torque situation. But obviously we don't want our lights vibrating, so that's why we're going to use these on the 89 cab with the 73 front clip. So we're going to do this other side, and then we'll get the lights mounted up. And we're just going to take our little mount, slide it right in here. I'm going to go grab a washer to shim, and then we'll drop our toggle in there and go from there. Drop it in just like that, flip it flat, twist it to where it's actually biting. All right, so we're gonna get this one started first. All right, definitely not the right way to do it, but until I get another toggler, this will keep everything shimmed like it needs to be. So come in here and just snip quickly off. Can actually break these if it's in something that's gonna be really solid, and you know it's not gonna tweak it at all. So these are even so well designed on a truck that doesn't have the right cab. Still only been doing this for about 15 minutes and we've already got them installed. So definitely would reach out to Squared Innovations and pick you up a set of these. They even have them for 80 to 87. So that would have worked with this core support configuration, but it wouldn't, or the cowl configuration, but it wouldn't have worked with the hood. So that's why we had to go with these new ones. Hopefully they're going to be releasing them to the public soon. I'm going to reach out to them and see when that is, and we'll let you know. And we'll obviously link them in the description. All right, so we've got our pre-production Squared Innovation ditch lights mounted up. They are going to be hitting the website pretty soon. The guys were nice enough to send these over and let me try them out. Had zero fitment issues with these. Really like the coating they put on there. Really like how tightly they fit. Everything really, really well. Really like the swath of light you'll see in a second that they lay down. You can aim them forwards, aim them out to the side. They even have little notches to help you get them lined up evenly left to right. Super happy with them. They are going to start releasing them pretty soon. We will link them in the website. They are the only people I know that are making ones for 73 to 80, which is nice. Being that I have two 73 to 80 trucks, I always feel like they're kind of left out and everyone does 81 and up for some reason. Personally, I like the round eyes better, and we'll drop a link in the website. You can check these guys out.